I love my chocolate thick. Kimo, do you love thick girls? Yeah? Food tester wenye umesikia kufu kiwa kwa set.
Simplest ingredients for the simplest of meals. Pecan Orange.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I am here again. Karibuni sana kwenye Pecan Orange. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door and someone is just knocking my door. What do you want?
Umesikia.
Umesikia? So, tumesema hivi, wacha tuanze kushoot. Alafu before tumalize, utakuwa umekama after umeoga. That's okay?
Msimalize.
Hatutamaliza, I promise you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love you. Masaibu ya kushoot kwa nyumba ndio hayo. Anyway guys, what was I saying? Did I say simplest foods? Meal. Nishasema hiyo. Si ndio Kimo? So, you guys, if you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe. If you're watching this for the 1000th time and you have not subscribed, why are you not subscribing? Why? Why are you not subscribing? Why? Musikwe kama ule mjama mwenye anatuweka results nini si mnamjua. Msiniweke by the way, msiniweke. Sawa? So you guys, sawa cheni wape story. There's a time, I think sometime last week or something, kuna day kulikuwa na baridi mwenda wazimu. So some friends of ours came over and I decided to make something hot for them. And guess what I made? I made hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Me, I didn't know it's a big deal the way I made it. Because they were like, wait, Rach, ini chocolate, ile tuto ya kawaida, kwani umeifanya? So you guys, so I never thought that it's a big deal. So I was like, everybody knows how to make hot chocolate. Wow, what's the big deal? But I was told, no, Rach, show them your way. Because the truth is, even my friends know. The moment you come in my house, I just don't cook kawaida tea. If it's my tea, you will know it's me who has cooked, okay? The same way, if it's hot chocolate, you will know it's me who have made that chocolate, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, you already know what we are making. This called Shijon. Hot chocolate. This is something that you all need to try out because where it hits differently. I promise you. This one, it's going to hit differently. Sawa? Hata mtakuwa unaulizwa. Kuna watu sipatana nao wanauliza, wananiambia, Rach, sasa siku hizi familia yangu wanashinanga wakisema niwapikie scotch eggs, sijui chai, venye wewe unapikanga. And I'm so happy. I'm always happy when I hear that. So guys, let's go straight to our ingredients. Before tuanze hapa, Kimo tuanze hapa. Here I have a sufuria na boiling water. Sawa? This is cocoa. I am so sure many of you who went to high school in boarding school, you know what I'm talking about because you are buying cocoa. Hamkuwa mnabuy chocolate, I can tell you. Na kama ulikuwa unabuy chocolate, sijui ulikuwa shule gani. But this is cocoa. Then here we have drinking chocolate. There's a very big difference between these two. Cocoa, drinking chocolate, and here I have a bar of chocolate, okay? Then finally I have milk. This is milk, 500 ml. Okay, haijafika 500 ml. Haijafika 500 ml. And I'm so sure so most of you are asking, Rach, siweke tu maji ukoroge story tumalize hivyo? Hapana. Mimi, I love complicating life. Okay, complicating life in a good way. Because everybody loves good food. Everybody loves something good. Anything that is you're consuming, that anything that is going in your body, it has to be good. And that is my rule in my house. If I am cooking food, I'm just not cooking any food. I'm cooking good food. If I am cooking tea, I am cooking good tea. If I am cooking coffee, I am doing good coffee. If it's chocolate, good chocolate.
Sijui wafanya coffee.
Sijui wafanya coffee, niwe nafanyanga peke yako.
Nice.
So I will also show you how to make coffee because Keimo, si unapendanga ile kahawa na kupikianga?
Tuseme kitu gani?
Yeah? Guy, tunasema kitu kama hiyo ama ni kusema? Yeah, so you guys, next time I'll teach you how to make coffee. Now, let me tell you something interesting in this recipe. You can, if you're not making this for your kids, if it's just for you and a certain grown up and you love coffee, you can add coffee in this recipe. So you can add coffee here if you take coffee. But now let's go. So here, our water is already guy. Our water is already boiling, okay? And first things first, I'm going to put in my chocolate, this one. So kitu nitafanya, nitaiua tu. I will kill it. I'll break it, okay? So my hands are clean, of course. Make sure this recipe haujaipika karibu na watoto wako because watakula chocolate yo. Yote, I promise you. Yote. So you have to be very fast. You have to be very fast when you're doing it. You're dissolving. So nilikuwa ni great. Ni kama kidogo kidogo sijapata time. Ama ni ufala tu. Yeah. Make sure it has dissolved nicely. All of it. Isishikane kwa sufuria. Sawa? Hii kuna watu watauliza, Rach, si uweke tu maji na nini? Hey, you guys, you don't know. You have no idea what this can do for you. Okay? So what we are doing right now, we are dissolving the chocolate. You can add more chocolate if you want, the chocolate bar if you want. So someone will ask, Rach, why chocolate? I love my chocolate thick. What? Hey there. I love my chocolate thick. Sawa. Keimo, do you love thick girls?
Hey!
Upendi vitu thick. Upendi vitu thick. Umewakata haraka. Yeah, so guys, if you concentrate, if you see nicely, our chocolate, this water, the water that was boiling, it's a little bit thick, okay? So imedissolve yote. Now I'm going to put in my cocoa. Sawa. Going to put in my cocoa. The smell itself. The smell itself. Yes?
Can I smell it?
You want to smell it?
Yes.
Okay, come. How is it smelling?
Nice.
Good.
It smells so nice.
Like a chocolate.
Yes, it's chocolate, Baba. This is hot chocolate. Yes. Yeah. So we are korogaing like that. Then I'm going to put in my chocolate, drinking chocolate. Yeah. So, you know, kuna watu Keimo right now. I know there's someone who is asking, Rach, siweke tu maji kwani what's the whole process and all that? Now utamu iko kwa hiyo process. That's where the utamu is. Nyinyi hamna idea. Ati si Rach tu tuweke basi drinking chocolate mingi. Zii! Recipe yako haiwezi toka kama yangu. Ukikosa kuweka chocolate bar and all that, yes?
Mumeweka chocolate.
Tumeweka chocolate hapa.
Baba.
Si unakunywanga drinking chocolate, Baba? I don't know, can they see Keimo how thick it has become? You can make it as thick as you want, by the way. You can make it as thick as you want. Okay? Like so. Now it's time to put our milk inside. Okay? You don't have to put all of it. You don't have to put all of it, by the way. Depending on how your water ilikuwa inatoshana. Okay, mimi nitaeka yote, by the way, cause maziwa ni mimi nimenunua.
But that doesn't give you the right to be rude, please.
So mimi nitaeka yote, I'll put all of it because why not? Okay? Yeah, you can add water if you want. You can add more water if you want. You can add more milk if you want. Actually, you can make this na milk peke yake. Yeah, so trust me, this is not your ordinary hot chocolate. It's not at all, at all. Yeah, so there we are. You can add sugar inside your chocolate if you want, but I've decided to let it not add sugar because you guys, good news, I'm getting over sugar slowly by slowly. Wase, kuna kaeji mtu yufika unasikia tu you just don't want sugars in your life. Like, I don't want sugar, I don't want sukari, sitaki sukari. But I can promise you, this chocolate haina sukari. You can actually, you don't have to even add sugar in this chocolate as such. Okay, well, mimi pangu sitaongeza. But kama umefika ile age, si unajua ile age yenye naongelelea? Ile age ya pale hivyo unakaribia kafote hivyo nini hiyo age sasa. Okay? So yeah, let's wait for it to boil. Wale wa mama wenye mnaangalianga mtu na nini kama amepata mimba. Aka ni kanini by the way? Aka ni kanini? What is this for? Because the last time I checked when I was pregnant with Zahira, nilipata kadundo. Damn! Sawa. By the way, nakumbuka uli withdraw. Hey! Pesa. Uli withdraw ngapi? Aya, buku jeni mwona chocolate yetu. I don't know if you guys can see from there, but it's thick nicely. Now this is chocolate that you want to cook for your guests. This is chocolate that anyone wants to drink. Okay, so you can make it thick by just adding lots of hot chocolate, not hot chocolate, lots of chocolate bar chocolate. Where so goes bar chocolate. Mimi nataka mtu baadhi hata ni supply ya chocolates bar before joy ianze kuwaka, because you guys, I'm telling you, I'm finding myself spending a lot of money na chocolate ya bar because every day, almost every day. By the way, ukwa kuishangi wageni by the way. I think taanza kuandikia timetable. You so many of you wenye wananiambia nikiingia tu kwa manyumba zenyu mnaanza kusema Rich, siwezi pika ukiwa nikiweka. Sasa ninalia juu wameniambia nipike kwa. So mnaniambia ati nipikange kwenyu nikikuja. Is that fair? Yo ni fair? Milka na wenzako. Yo ni fair? Mimi mwache kunitumia. Mi yo best ya kutumika kwa kitchen. Staki. Yo best staki. Sawa? Na mwoniache. Okay babe, iko ile handkerchief. Nimelia poa.
God will judge you.
So guys, that's social media for you. Our drinking chocolate is ready. I'm gonna serve here. Mi serve na hizi. Mi serve na hizi refu. But acha tu ni serve nazo. Cause zimezoea kuwekwa vitu moto. Oh, hii hapa. For you guys. Eish. Ah. Sasa unakumbuka chocolate yenye mami anakupikianga? Hebu leta hii. Leta.
Sitakukuku. Sitakukuku.
Sasa auta taste kwanza? Haya, enda basi. Food tester wenyewe umesikia kufu. Kiwa kwa set. Inakuwa always emergency. But guys, meanwhile, let me taste this chocolate for you. I'm telling you, you really don't have to add sugar inside the chocolate. Kama ulivyoona sijaongeza chocolate, sijaongeza sukari. And yeah, guys, can I taste now? So, najua ni tamu but well, mnasikianga Stato winter, unasikianga tu all the time they're asking for hot chocolate when it's cold. This is it. Kitu ina joto. Kimo hata unaweza enda mahali unataka.
Really?
And I will cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sina maana kabisa.
Guys, me I'm telling you, no sugar added. Okay, chocolate iko na sugar. So you don't have to add sugar. Then it ndio imeomoka. Do piki ponki.
Piki bonki.
Monkey?
Daddy continue.
Monkey, Baba.
Piki bonki.
Apple baby. So, you want to taste this one?
Yes.
Okay, taste.
It is yummy.
How is it?
Good.
You love it?
Yes, I'll drink it.
Which one? No, see you have that one. No,
I'll drink this one a little bit.
but you have that one.
A big one.
It's the same. You see yours, yours is,
Big.
yeah, yours is bigger than mine. So why would you want something small? And you are a champion. You are number 1.
I want this one.
Yeah, you want this one because that is big. Eh?
Let's try this at home.
Oh,
Mommy and Daddy, try this at home.
yes, it's yummy, right? Yes. So, guys, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Abu, tell them your number.
I'm number
You are number what in school?
1.
Number 1. And you are how many years old?
4.
You're 4. Ah, that's amazing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, good. Guys, kama mnavyoona ameamua haendi kuoga kwa sababu kwa hii baridi hufai kuoga. Yeah, so guys, try this recipe. Subscribe, please. Try this recipe. Tell me once you try it and tag me on my Instagram, Picanarach, and like and comment down below. Alafu during this cold season, tell me which other beverage you want me to try out for you. Okay, hata kama ni cappuccino, tutafanya without the machine, tutafanya. Mimi ni ule mtu. Cheers baba. Cheers pole pole.
Simplest ingredient.